Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Supam. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level of job, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of MedPeace and it's a hiring for entry level of software engineer for Navi Mumbai location. So let's talking about the company. So our corporate activity growing rapidly and currently seeking for a full-time office-based junior software engineer to join in the information technology team. So it's talking about this responsibility. So collaborate, analyze and document of the requirement, design, modify, develop and support of the software application, participate in the software validation and process through development review and other execution test plan and test case script, creates software application by following software development life cycle, which include requirement gathering, design, development, testing, release and the maintenance, and all these things we have to know. And those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science can apply. Experience using technology like C Sharp, Angular, web service, GraphQL, Git and related database preferred, and experience with Entity framework, Azure DevOps and advantageous, and all these things we have to know. And excellent and written communication skills are required for this, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the jobs, you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Nagel, and it's a hiring for graduate trainee for Delhi Haryana location. So let's talk about this job responsibility. So during our program we hope or the develop the following skills and to learn, understand and into the supply chain logistic landscape, to build a knowledge of operational sales logistic process including their application, to develop personal leadership skills, knowledge of yourself and understand others communication and collaboration, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a graduation is mandatory. Excellent communication and presentation skill required. Excellent strong learning agility, analytical skill and passion to pursuing career and logistic will be the key and responsibility key to success, and all these things we have to know. And how to apply for the jobs, you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Moody's, and it's hiring for associate software engineer for Java. So let's talking about the responsibility. So responsible for designing, coding, enhancement, testing and financing software application to meet business process and requirement. MIS tech primarily using Java J2E related tech stack, exhibits good problem solving analytical skills of designing, developing solution and business requirement, contribute to the ongoing feature, develop web application based on the service oriented architecture and involving a UI service of the database, and all these things you have to know. And complete documentation process and installation and maintenance software application, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor of engineering of computer science can apply. 0 to 3 year of total experience of software development experience, 0 to 3 year hands-on experience of designing, development, testing and operational support, Java J2E and all this XML and based application, and good understanding of object oriented design and development, and all these things you have to know. And a good SQL and database knowledge. And how to apply for the jobs, so you have to just click here apply online, on the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Mintra, and it's hiring for software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this responsibility. So data has become a new currency in the modern business, emerging of the new business of and the data organization world ever the realizing potential in their the house of the holds of increasingly using the quite creative and unlock hidden opportunity. So let's talking about this build and integrate robust data processing pipeline and enterprise level of business analytical, and help architected data process pipeline on big data system, have ability to identify backend source pipe and a strong engineering of mindset, understanding of business domain, create reusable cross-functional data assist, and help resolve data issue, troubleshoot system problem and needs assist with the staff with the and reporting, debugging and accuracy issue of the related function, and all these things you have to know. And hands-on experience of building end-to-end complex and robust big data engineering pipeline, and expertise of the data modeling pipeline method including conceptual logic and physical data module, and all these things we have to know. And hands-on experience of MDT database of like SQL Server, Azure and exposure of programming language like Unix and Python, good to have, and all these things we have to know, and how to apply for the job. So once you scroll down, so this page will open, so you have to just fill all this form, and after that you have to submit the application. So this is a very simple process. You can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 different job role about this software engineer for entry level, and if you are looking for this, so you can apply for this. This is a very good opportunity, and अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए, and if you have any question then ask me in the comment section. I will help you. So thank you, thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye.